school look at unique specialty and classics. It's a 1931 Ford Model A Tudor sedan, street rotted out. This is an all-steel car. 283 V8 power up front here. That's paired up with a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission with a 3000 stall. As you can see, tri-carb setup. It's our 3 2-barrel Demon carbs. Disc brakes up front. This vehicle will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that may be extendable. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 507-386-1726 is the number. If you want to check out all the still pictures of this vehicle, see the undersides, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Scallop look to it going down the sides. It's kind of an antiqued white. It's a cool, I don't know if it shows up in the camera, but it's almost like an antiqued white, I guess is how you describe the color. And then with the contrasting white and black interior, falling through on the dash. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. It's riding on Silvertown BF Goodrich radials, the wide white walls, as you can see. Chrome center caps. Fun one to take to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. It's going to turn some heads too when they hear it. We're going to fire it up here at the end of the video. You'll be able to hear it too. It's got a rumble to it. uniqueclassiccars.com, so we can check out all those still pictures. Paint shows well on this one, as you can see by the reflection in the black. There's some spots where you'll have maybe a little imperfection here or there. I don't know if you can really see those even. This one, get in. Don't be afraid to drive it. Let's go ahead and fire this up, take a little closer look at this interior. So again, the white and black, two-tone interior, accent the exterior of the car. You'll be able to see this all in the still pictures too. Plenty of them online. Previous owner did note speedometer worked, but he did not finish with the rest of the gauge cluster. But we're going to go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. There you have it, 1931 Ford Model A two-door sedan, street rotted out. Powered by that 283 with the tri-carb setup. Automatic transmission. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.